I-7561U is an easy-to-use and cost-effective converter for transferring serial data via USB. It can be used to connect serial devices to systems with a USB interface. The converter comes with one RS-232, RS-422, RS-485 port that allows compatibility with any serial device protocol. Besides the features of I-7561U, it also supports Windows 8 and 10 operating systems. It also features a high-speed transmission rate and supports various operating systems ranging from Windows to Linux. A self-tuner chip inside auto-tunes the baud rate and data format to the RS-485 networks. It is USB powered, so it doesn't require additional external power adapters. It comes with independent RS-232, RS-422, RS-485 ports for flexible connections. Some features include easy to use and excellent compatibility, serial protection, high speed, saves costs and is hassle-free, wide range of operating temperatures, and easy to install. To learn more about the I-7561U, visit our website or contact a member of the ICP-DAS USA team.